Afternoon. Welcome to a super mellow, chill time of some guided meditation. And I hesitate to even call it meditation because I don't want you to be overwhelmed or intimidated by that word. Everyone can do this, and everyone can benefit from slowing down and simplifying and drawing your attention to your breath, noticing your senses, noticing just more of an immediate space around you so that you're not so overwhelmed and distracted by all that's happening outside of yourself. All right, so just follow along with me. We're going to go through a very simple three-pointed breath pattern. So we're going to notice our breath at different places in our bodies. And then as we go, a little bit lengthening, a little bit deepening of your breath comfortably. So no need to strain, no need to push yourself to take enormously long breaths when they're not comfortable for you. So listen to your own body. If your rate of breathing doesn't match mine, that's totally fine. Do something that feels natural to you, and as you relax into it, as you start to slow down, your breath will comfortably become that lengthened, a little bit deeper, without much of a challenge for you. Okay? And then the more that you practice this kind of, meditation, relaxation, the more your breath will actually become more accustomed to a little bit longer, a little bit deeper, and just be assured that you don't have to try super hard for this. You don't have to push a bunch of buttons. This is simple. All right? So our first point that we want to notice, and if you want to follow with placing a hand at each of these 3 points, that's totally fine. We're going to start with this upper chest area. So we're just going to breathe naturally to start with, and I want you to notice this space of your body. You can feel free to close your eyes if you want to. I usually do, but you can keep your eyes open. So noticing this upper chest area as we breathe, see what's moving in that area and how it feels. We're just drawing our attention to this one thing in this one place, simplifying. Maybe there's more movement happening here than you realized. And just let that noticing quality bring you into a little more relaxation. There's nothing for you to do but follow it. Couple more breaths, noticing this upper chest area. And before we leave this area, let's go ahead and just take a slightly larger breath in. And then relax as you let it out. Good. Moving to the next place. We're going to move towards the ribs area. So you can place your hands on the sides of your lower rib cage. You could actually wrap your hands around your ribs so that they're resting on the opposite ribs. And we're going to follow our breath in this location. So just focusing on this one place. Notice what happens at your ribs as you breathe in. And out. As you relax into your breathing and you're noticing here, very gently and gradually, allow those ribs to open a little bit more. And then relax on the exhale. So it becomes almost like an accordion quality, opening a little on the inhale. Coming back together on the exhale. Two more breaths here. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Releasing your hands from that second position, moving to our third position, which is right over the belly. So one hand or two hands at this area. With your normal breath, start to pay attention to this place and this space in your body. No need to force a deep breath. We're just going along with our own breath for the ride. You're noticing a little bit of expansion at your belly, even the tiniest bit, keep following that. So as we sink down and relax into this space, inviting any amount of a deepening of your breath, any amount of an opening of the belly, and then relaxing in. Take your time. A little bit goes a long way. Two more breaths here from the belly. And then releasing your hand or hands back onto your legs, relaxing the body, gently opening your eyes if they've been closed. And recognizing your whole body, noticing how you feel all together. And that's it. That's as complicated as it ever has to be. So you may have found that one of those places, either the upper chest or the sides of your ribs or the belly, one of those points of contact felt really natural to you. Use it and come back to it, or all of them. Or maybe it's just a slowing down of your body at any point during the day and noticing your breath, noticing any movement in your body that's coming as a response to that breath, And that's as complicated as a mindfulness or a short meditation has to be. Yeah, focusing on yourself, letting the world around you just take a pause and get a little bit quieter. Slowing down, simplifying, and using that connection with yourself as a moment of self-care. Yeah, we all need all kinds of versions of this. So I encourage you, notice the things that help you the most to relax at different points during your day. Step back and use that valuable tool to help yourself out. All right, thanks for joining, and carry it on into the rest of your day. You don't have to jump back into racing 100 miles per hour, because we are not racers through life. We are beings meant to be. All right, enjoy being the rest of your day. Peace.